Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just about the beautification of the stacked column chart. So in the previous video I have created this stacked column chart, and if you haven't watched that, please go and watch that. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create or how to do some beautification of this chart. Okay, so this is the stacked column chart, and I have done some beautification into this stacked column chart, and it will be visible like that. So if you can see that this is a different kind of chart now. So earlier we have this chart, we have prepared this quarterly label data from 2012 to 2015, and I just did some beautification. I just wanted to show you how can you do some kind of beautification. So this is a data, it's coming from the previous, only the same data sets I have selected, nothing changed, but with some beautification. Okay, so in this video I will just show you how to do that. So let's first take the copy of this one, so that we don't need to create this one. So let's create the duplicate page again. Just give the name, let's rename it. So in this one I'm just saying that uh, beautification of stack charts working. It's simple. So the name is here. You can give any name based on that one. So this chart is here. What we need to do for this simple things, we just need to go to the format first. Before going to the format, let's go to this x-axis. So I told you in the last video we can change this drill down or drill up based on this axis only. So let's first do this axis, go to the axis, and now you can see it's a by default is date hierarchy. You can make the change into the order date. Okay, so now you see the date wise data, the column charts is coming, right? Stacked column charts is coming based on each date. Okay, and for now what you need to do, go to that format your visuals, go to the x-axis. So let's start from x-axis. So here you can see the type is the categorical. So what you do need to do, you just change from categorical to continuous. Okay, that's it. You just need to change from categorical to continuous data, and the bar has been changed, right? And if you wanted to apply some kind of filter, so first remove the filters here. If you wanted to apply any kind of filter here in the data, because this is the year wise data, and you can see this chart based on the day wise, right? So let's create a simple slicer here for a same uh, the date, the year and date. Okay, so in the field section you just need to put the order date here, right? And you will get the slicer, the date. So if you see that the date is starting somewhere from 2012 first January to 2015, uh 31st December 2015, right? And you can change based on either this slicer, just increase or decrease the date. It will get filtered out. It will take some time, but yes, it will get filtered out. And if you wanted to from here date wise, you can just go and select from any date. So till the date, like you wanted to go till March or April. Okay, so this will get filtered, like you can see only to Jan 2015, right? So Jan 2012 to Jan 2015. It's like till the March, because it's a very big data set. You can't see each and every date here. But yeah, so this data is getting filtered, and you can also do some more modification, some more beautification in this data. Okay, so yep, thanks for the watching. If you like my content, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.